Hello, here's our object, and we are going to change the size and the color. And I know that this is called Skull 2. I do Alt F6 to bring up this little editor here, and I'm going to Object, make sure Object is yellow. And then I've got Skull 2 up here. It's already pre-filled because I was working in this a little bit. And now let's change the color first, okay? So I'm going to make sure use color says yes. That's highlighted in yellow. Use color says yes. Now let's take the green down a bit. Let's take the blue. Whoops. On blue. And I'll keep it right about there. And now I want to change the size of this, so I'm going to go to the Y, see if this changes anything in the Z scale. Oh yeah, so it changes it that way too. Alpha is transparency, so if that's yellow, and watch, I'll go ahead and make it completely invisible, and I'll go ahead and make it completely solid. Okay, so that is how we're going to start changing objects. Just to show you one other thing you can do here, move is on no. I'm going to put it on yes. Let's go ahead and try moving this. Okay, so I can move that along an axis there. That's the Z axis. Let's see what happens with the Y axis. Up and down. I can actually put it slightly hovering above the ground, which is kind of cool. Yep, and then X is going to be the other direction that way. Go ahead and show you rotate for the fun of it. And rotate X. See, that's kind of unexpected, right? Who knew? So you can see how doing things with size and scale and shape, just make sure that box is slightly, so here we go their way, and then we move it down a little bit with the Y, and then we move it back, keep it there, we'll move it back in with the X, and then we'll change the color a little bit more. And we will scale it this way a little bit more. Okay, so this is how you can go ahead and get started working with objects. A lot of fun.